Today I have for you a very quick, simple, and easy way to install lighting in your home and update any space.
So follow along with me, guys. We're going to get these up. They're already up, but I'm going to show you how to get them up.
First thing you have to do is make sure your electricity's off. That seems pretty simple, but you don't want to forget that step. When you open your box, just make sure that all of the parts and the directions are there. It's fairly universal to put a light up, but you don't want to miss any special instructions like I did. You'll see why. Alright, now we've got to decide how high we want them to hang. So, CANARM gives you guys a lot of distance to play with. I only have 8-foot ceilings, so it's gonna look more like this. The proper wire cutters would completely snip that piece off. I don't have them, and I didn't want to mess with it, so tying a knot was the best way to go. So we have our black and our white that my electrician has already put in. Things like this. This is going to be what grounds it. So once you get that little piece up, it's also very important because it holds both screws that's going to mount your pendant to the ceiling. White to white, black to black, copper to copper. White is your neutral, black is your hot wire, so that's the active wire, and your copper is what grounds the whole unit. So you're just going to twist both heads of the white together. Super simple. So they make one. Then you take your marette, simply just put it over top and twist it on. So that'll keep it protected. Once you've got your positive and negatives together, you're just going to put them up in your junction box. Now you've got your ground wire and the base of your pendant. So these two are going to connect together. Same thing, twist them, marionette them. Is that the right word? Marionette. Isn't that a doll? I'm not sure. We did it. So your grounds stay together. Just like so. So all of this is going to be packed up in, I'll show you. It would have been a good idea to cut the wire because this step would have been easier, but it's okay. Get all the extra wire into the top of the pendant and then thread the screws down into the little holes that are there. Find the thingies that secure it, the little screws. Put those up and you're done. Get back to your junction box, turn it on before you test it, and you should be good to go.
Don't make the mistake that I did. Check to see if your lights have switches. So I went to turn them on once I was done, thought everything was good. Thought they're not working.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope this DIY served you well, and if you like the lights that I've chosen, they are called Escher by CANARM. I'll link them below, and you can shop them at Kent Building Supplies. Before you go, don't forget to show me some support and go and click the subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.